Hi children, welcome back to my channel. In this video you are going to see SOF International Mathematics Olympiad of Class 2 sample paper and syllabus of 2023 to 2024. Total number of questions are 35 and pattern and marking scheme number of questions in logical reasoning 10. Second section mathematical reasoning you have 10 questions. Third section everyday mathematics you have 10 questions. Fourth section you have achievers sections 5 questions. And marks per question for first section 1 mark, second section 1 mark, third section 1 mark each, and fourth section you have 2 marks each question. Let's quickly check the syllabus. Section 1 patterns, odd one out, measuring units, geometrical shapes, analogy, ranking text, test, grouping of figures, embedded figures, coding, decoding. Section 2 numerals, number names and number sense, computation operations, length, weight, capacity, time, temperature, money, lines, shapes and solids, pictographs, patterns. Section 3 syllabus as per section 2. Section 4 higher order thinking questions, syllabus as per section 2. First section logical reasoning. First question, how many squares and standing lines respectively are there in the given figure? Let's quickly count the squares first. 1, 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is one more square, 7. So how many standing lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and the middle one is 5. So there are 7 squares, 5 standing lines. So our answer is option A 8 and 11 wrong. Option B 7, 5 is the right answer. Second question, 62 hundreds, 30 tens and 80 ones is equal to dash. So how do we write 62 hundreds? We have to add 2 zeros for hundreds, and 30 tens is nothing but we have to add 1 0. 80 ones means 80 only. So we have to add all this. 0 plus 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 8 is 8, 2 plus 3 is 5, 6 plus 0 is 6. So 6580 is the answer. Option A 6230 wrong. Option B 6580 is the correct answer. Third question, find the odd one out. We have to find the odd one. So option A, he is washing his hand. Okay. He's reading. Okay. He's putting plugs in the electric switch. He's brushing. Okay. So this is very dangerous. We are not, kids are not supposed to plug any switches into the electric boards. So this is the odd one. This is our answer. Option C is the correct answer. Now, second section, mathematical reasoning. Fourth question, how many numbers are there in the tree which has sum of their digits as 5? So, tens place and ones place, if you add, you have to get 5. So, let's find out how many possible numbers are there for sum of this 5. 1 4, 4 1, 2 3, 3 2, and one more is there, 5 and 0. So, these are the possible 5 numbers. For these numbers, if you add tens place and ones place, you'll get 5 as the sum. So let's check on the tree. 88 no wrong, 92 no, 32 correct, 41 correct, 48 wrong, 18 wrong, 68 wrong, 34 wrong, 14 correct, 24 wrong, 93 wrong, 23 correct. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is our answer. Option A 3 wrong, option B 4 is the correct answer. So now fifth question, which of the following is less than 13 tens plus 2 ones? So how could we write 13 tens? 13, add 1 0. 2 ones is nothing but 2 itself. So 0 plus 2 is 2. 3 plus 0, 3. 1 plus 0, 1. So 132 is our answer. Option A 142 wrong. Option B 132 is the right answer, children. Sixth question. What is the weight of the watermelon shown in the figure? On the weighing pan, you are given with watermelon plus a weighing bar, 200 grams. So on the display, the weight is shown as this is 400 This becomes 450. This is 500. And this is 550. So on the display it is showing as 550, but this is not the actual weight of the watermelon because a weighing bar is kept. So we have to subtract that 200 grams. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. So 350 is the answer. Option A, 300 grams wrong. Option B, 550 grams wrong. Option C, 250 grams wrong. Option D, 350 grams is the right answer, children. Third section, everyday mathematics. Seventh question, in a box there are 25 blue marbles, 18 red marbles and 27 yellow marbles. How many marbles are there in the box altogether? So we are supposed to add this, all these, right? First 25 blue marbles plus 18 red marbles, 27 yellow marbles. Let's add all these. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 7, 20. 2 carry 0. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 6, 7. So 70 is our answer. Option A, 50 wrong. Option B, 60 wrong. Option C, 70 is the right answer. Eighth question. Minnie had rupees 560 in her purse. When she went shopping, she spent 456 rupees. How much money was left with her? So we are supposed to subtract the total money she has in her purse is 560 rupees, and she has spent on shopping 456 rupees. So let's subtract these two. 10 minus 6 is 4. So 1 went bar over here, minus 1. So 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. So 104 is the answer. She has remained with 104 rupees. Option A, rupees 4 wrong. Option B, 24 wrong. Option C, 104 rupees. Correct answer. Ninth question, find the value of Earth, Moon and Sun respectively. Each shape stands for a digit. So we are given with the clue 1 Sun is equal to 3. 1 moon plus, let's write M. 1 moon plus 1 Sun is equal to 4. So we know 1 Sun value. So let's substitute this 3. So we will get 1 moon is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, children. So the third one is 1 Earth plus 1 moon plus 1 Sun is equal to 9. We know the values of 1 moon and 1 Sun so that we could find out the Earth value. 1 moon is equal to 1. 1 Sun is equal to 3, 9. So 1 Earth is equal to 1 plus 3 is 4, 9 minus 4. So we got the value now. 1 Earth is equal to 9 minus 4 is 5. So how could we write 5 comma 1 moon is comma 3. 5 comma 1 comma 3. So option A, 5 comma 1 comma 3 is the right answer. 10th question, Sonia buys 4 apples, 2 mangoes and 5 tomatoes from the market. So 1 brinjal cost is 15 rupees, 1 apple cost is 20 rupees, 1 orange cost is 6 rupees, 1 mango cost is 10 rupees, 1 tomato cost is 8 rupees, 1 banana cost is 9 rupees. So what she has bought? She has bought 4 apples. So 1 apple cost is 20 rupees. So 20 into 4. 4000. 4 to the 8. Now 1 mango cost is 10 rupees. So 10 into 2 how much, children? 2 into 0, 0. 2 into 1 is 2. 5 tomatoes from the market. Tomatoes cost is 8 rupees. 8 fives are 5 eights are 40. So we are supposed to add all this. So let's add 80 plus 20 plus 40 is equal to 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. So 140 is our answer. So option A, rupees 142 wrong. Option B, rupees 140 is the correct answer. So this is the key given. So you can check with the answers as well. Right, children? Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye, children.